It's not all rosy in the country as the number of the coronavirus infections continues to surge each and every day. Since the first case of the coronavirus was reported in the country on the 13th of March this year, the number has been ballooning daily, and by Tuesday the figures clipped 172 after 14 new cases were discovered.
In the same 24 hours, we have tested 696 samples, out of which 14 people have tested positive for the disease. 12 of the 14 are Kenyans, while 2 are foreign nationals.
Majority of the cases which had been reported earlier are those carried by the travelers from abroad. However, the situation has worsened with the infection and now trickling to counties at the grassroots levels. 4
of them are from quarantine facilities, while 10 were picked by our surveillance teams. We have now, out of the 14 people that I mentioned, for instance, 7 are from Nairobi. Mombasa has 2 new ones. Machakos has 1. Kisii has 1. Kiambu has 1. And Mandera has 2 cases.
The entrance of the new cases into the counties of Kisii, Kiambu and Mandera comes after the government contained the movement of the hotspot counties of Nairobi, Kilifi, Kwale and Mombasa.
And the 2 reported cases from Mandera is a recent travel from Mombasa County. That explains why the decision by the president was taken yesterday to close some of the areas where we feel people moving into and out of are causing further spread of the virus.
It remains unclear whether the government shall contain the new counties should the infection spread like bushfire. According to Mutahi Kagwe, Kenyans should brace for hard and tough moments ahead.
This is not going to be a short term. It is not going to be a short-term activity. We are not going to be dealing with this disease only for the next couple of weeks. Let us brace ourselves for the long term. And by a long term, I mean for the next couple of months. Usione wewe kama ni mwelevu sana. Hii virusi haina mtu mwelevu. Hii virusi ukicheza nayo, sio uelevu, ni ujinga.
The government has so far intensified the measures to curb the deadly coronavirus, which has so far claimed more than 75,000 people, with about 1.3 people infected across the world. Treasury Cabinet Secretary Mutahi on Tuesday received a boost of 2 billion Kenyan shillings from the multi-agency team fighting corruption, money made to fight Covid-19. It's now exactly the 27th day since Kenya was hit by the coronavirus pandemic, a move that has now forced the government to look all the possible avenues by sourcing for the funds, at least to mitigate the pandemic. Reporting for Ebru TV, I'm Jeff Haemba.